Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. It's called An Outdoor Attitude. It's a guide for newfound nature lovers by a newfound nature lover, as I said up here in my tagline. The homepage has a little introduction to the blog, just explaining what it's about and what I will be sharing in my blog posts. As you scroll down, you can see the latest from the blog. It shows 3 blog posts. These are the ones I've done so far, mainly about snowshoeing, along with a little introduction to myself here. Here we have a little way to follow the blog and subscribe for any readers. And then down here at the footer we have my Twitter feed, where I kind of just share my recent blog posts and anything that I like that has to do with outdoor adventures. Over here I have some photos that I've decided to share from my excursions, and then over here is the search bar where people can kind of search for any content that they think I might have. At the top we have homepage, blog, about me, disclaimer, and contact pages, and then the social media widgets. If we look at the about me page, I just get a little introduction to myself about how I was never very into the outdoors until I moved here, and then when my boyfriend convinced me to start going climbing with him, and so now I try to get outside every weekend. And then we have the same thing here in the footer, the Twitter feed, the photos, and search bar. Then it's my disclaimer page. It's pretty straightforward, saying that all views are my own and don't represent the opinions of any organization or entity that I'm affiliated with. Content is for general information. Copyright and other intellectual property rights are mine. I own this content, and I'm not liable for any decisions made or actions taken based on the information that I provide. And then this is the contact page, where I encourage any readers who have questions or comments to reach out and send me a message using this form. So that's pretty much it so far. Looking forward to expanding upon this and adding some more content. Thanks.